404. The next is going to be the single post. Now, if you decide to actually create a blog and you want to custom build your blog page from scratch, it's actually quite simple to do with Elementor Pro. Okay, now the first thing I want to do is I'm going to select this template right here and click on Inserts and click on Apply. Now, essentially what this is going to do, it's going to create a new format for your blog post. And here you'll see that this is a post title. Now, when you actually activate the single post, you're going to see that you have a variety of elements to choose from. So the first obviously is the post title, which is this right here. The next one is going to be the post info, which is the date and author. The next is the featured image. So whenever you create a blog post and you add a featured image, it's going to automatically propagate right here. So if we actually create a blog post, this is going to be the new blog post image. Below that, we have post excerpt. This is just some excerpt about the actual post. And then below that, we have the post content. So whenever you're creating the article, it's going to automatically propagate the entire article right here. And obviously you can enter in more information right here. You can put in a variety of different things. Now, a really cool feature in the Pro version is actually called the table of contents. Now, the table of contents elements, I'll just go ahead and briefly explain it here, is it actually brings users to different parts of your article depending on how you formatted the article. So for example, if you put a heading text and user clicks on the first one, it's going to automatically redirect them to that specific heading link. So essentially what it does is it just creates a really nice, pleasant experience where users can just click on something and then be redirected to that specific part of the article. So if they were to click on conclusion, it would drag them down to conclusion. A lot of blogs actually have this, and I'd like to put this on the sidebar. So I'd probably make a second column over here, drag this on the side where, users can actually, click on something and then have it automatically bring them down to the blog post, which it just creates a very friendly user experience. So that is the table of contents. Now scrolling down over here, if you want to add in like the ability to have in comments, you'll see that there is no comments. We can take post comments and drag it below the actual conclusion. Users will then be able to leave comments on your blog. And then also we have post navigation. This essentially will allow users to scroll to the next article or the previous one right here. So we have previous. Now, since this is a new article, there is no next, but once you create more articles, the next will then display right here. So yeah, that is pretty much a way on how you can create single blog posts from scratch using Elementor Pro. Once you want this to be your main blog, over here, I'm gonna click on publish. Now, before I do this, I want to show you my current blog right now. So I'm going to click on single post right here. So this is my current blog post right here that I'm currently using for my website. And here's my contents. Scrolling down, we have our conclusion, and then we have the author there at the bottom, and we have some share icons. If I go over here and I now display this for all singular, which are my blog posts, here, click on save and close. And here we go. So now you'll see that we have this title right here. We have the featured image. We have the content. Scrolling down, we're going to see that we have our conclusion with our comment box here at the bottom. Okay, and the very last thing that we're going to talk about before we jump into the miscellaneous options is how to create